these meetings anymore? He retired.
No, he's still around. He
Fits Verona Road.
So we just completed and opened Verona Road to 3 lanes each way between Raymond Road and Highway PD, with all Verona Road traffic traveling underneath Williamsburg Way and over Highway PD. In 2019, we built 3 new bridges. First one this spring and summer at Williamsburg Way, and then 2 bridges to take Verona Road traffic north and south over Highway PD McKee Road. 3 lanes are open each way with access at the interchange ramps to PD and Williamsburg Way, as well as the signalized intersection at Raymond Road, allowing more green time to get through that intersection, as well as increased left turns from northbound Verona Road to Raymond Road, as well as Raymond Road to northbound Verona Road. So with all of that construction completed, we can now focus our efforts in 2020 on Highway PD between Verona Road and Commerce Park Drive. With the Verona Road improvements and due to the close proximity of the Verona Road interchange on PD, we will restrict the left turn movements out as well as the through movements at Capec Road and Nesbitt Road. We will have right turns in and out at the intersection, as well as left turns into Nesbitt Road and Capec Road. The traffic signals will be removed next spring, and we will have improved efficiency at this intersection with stop signs at Capec Road and Nesbitt Road. With Verona Road completed and now open to 3 lanes each way between Raymond Road and County PD, in 2020 we will focus on County PD McKee Road between Verona Road and Commerce Park Drive. We will expand PD to 3 lanes in each direction, as well as complete the ramp connections at the new Verona Road and Highway PD intersection. So with those improvements, we will shift traffic onto the north side of PD as we reconstruct the south side. Once that's complete, we'll swap traffic, work on the north side of Highway PD, and have traffic on McKee Road on the south side. In the fall, we will have all traffic 3 lanes each way between Verona Road and Highway PD, or Commerce Park Drive, as well as the final ramp connections at Highway PD and Verona Road. So we'll have some median work happening in April, and then in May we'll shift to this stage here where traffic is on the north side of Highway PD, working on the south side, and that'll continue through the summer. And then in late summer, we'll shift traffic onto the south side as we work on the north side, so that by late fall, all 3 lanes will be open each way with the final connections at Verona Road and PD. There's a lot of efforts. Starting in 2001, we began the study of Verona Road. So working with the neighborhoods, the business community, state and local officials, letting them know what we're planning on improving. And at that point, Verona Road was just a 2-lane highway with intersections, signalized intersections at PD, Williamsburg Way, Raymond Road, and of course the new frontage road system, and as well as the Beltline. And with those improvements and making sure that we want to provide that safety and efficiency through the corridor, having frequent meetings, frequent conversations with everyone involved. Since 2001, we've had more than 500 meetings, whether that's a sit down with some stakeholders, or that's a larger group open house meeting that we have tonight, or other public meetings throughout the last 18 years. And so now, working throughout the planning, the design phases, construction, seeing that now completed in the fall of 2019, it's really exciting, and there's a lot of people that have been involved with it, a lot of people passing on the torch. Certainly some construction staff that have moved on to other careers, some design staff that have as well, but we have a great core team of folks from the consultant side as well as DOT side delivering a great project, and I think this is something, the infrastructure that'll last for decades to come, and a lot of pride that we have on our end, and hopefully people throughout Fitchburg and Madison and Southwest Wisconsin can appreciate and value. The biggest complaint that we had, especially in 2019, was the traffic signal timing at Highway PD and Verona Road. Due to the complex traffic staging, we had multiple lane shifts throughout that small area, as well as synchronized timing that didn't allow traffic to get stuck in between the interchange ramps, as well as at Capec Road and Commerce Park Drive. So making sure that people still got to their business, but they would certainly wanted simultaneous movements as much as possible. But with the construction staging that we had, it wasn't possible. And making sure that people understood that. So we had a lot of outreach, not only with the local business community, the coalition, but also the area residents and the commuters that traveled through that area. And once they knew that the light was at the end of the tunnel, they saw 2 bridges over PD, they saw that traffic was soon going to shift and open to 3 lanes each way, they realized the pain that we have now, the frustration of the headaches that we have now is going to pay off in dividends in the future. Once traffic is separated, Verona Road can freely travel over PD, and then McKee Road traffic can use the new expanded lanes that we'll build in 2020. We got many compliments, certainly once we opened in mid-November. There were multiple compliments thanking us for our attention to detail, our hard work, our outreach, our communication, and not only on the DOT side, but certainly the contractor and what they do day in, day out, night in and night out as well, making sure that people are aware of the upcoming impacts, aware of the changing staging and construction schedules, and making sure that everyone's informed and involved, and again, appreciates the great corridor that we have. 3 bridges in one construction season is certainly a lot within an urban highway, and now the residents and neighborhood and other business community members can really appreciate what we built. People should really remember the 3 main things: making sure they plan ahead, look at our project website, veronaroadproject.wi.gov, being alert for the construction crews and equipment near the travel lanes. Those men and women work day and night and they want to get home to their families. And of course, eliminating distractions, making sure that people just put down the phone, eat the bowl of cereal at home, read the newspaper at home or at work, and making sure that people are always attentive to the road ahead, paying attention for those lane shifts or crossovers, and making sure that everyone gets home to their city.
Mark don't come to these meetings anymore, he retired.
No, he's still around. He
Fits Rona Road.
Yep.
On the right.
He only kind of
On the right side.
on some of
John's,
Got